Hey, it's so good to see you and welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating a very classic smoky eye, so stay tuned and relax, get a snack. This will be a long video, I'm telling you. I started off with, priming my eyes as always, and then I started off with the shade DM Me from the Natural Lost palette by Too Faced. I tried focusing this shade only in the crease of my eye, so I didn't blend it all over my lid. I kept it in the crease. I also made sure to really blend it well. And when you're blending, try to blend inwards. Once I'm done packing on that pigment, what I like to do is clean up my brush so that you have no pigment left on the brush. I use one of those hair things to do that. I just swirl the brush around. Try, however, to be gentle, otherwise you will destroy your brush. And now that you have a clean brush, you don't have to worry about making your whole eye look patchy. I also know there's like a company who sells those color switches, which are basically just one of those hair thingies. I then went ahead and applied a black shade in the outer half of my eyelid. And you can see that I'm trying not to bring up the shade too close into the crease. Not right now. We will blend it afterwards, but right now, pack on that pigment and let it be. Take your clean brush and blend it together. In the next step, we will apply some of that black shadow into our crease. And for that, I am using a rather flat blending brush. And I'm showing you my brush here. You can see that the black pigment is only applied to one side of the brush. This is super important because it gives you control on how and where you apply the pigment. So when you pick up that eyeshadow, try to keep it on one side of the brush. Don't swirl your brush around like a maniac, like in the pan. Don't do that. It will give you no control and you will look like a panda afterwards. We love pandas, but not in our eyes, okay? No. After applying the black, I then again cleaned off my brush and my hair thingy. I don't know what it's called. If you know, let me know in the comments, please. And then I took my time and blended everything together. When you're doing a smoky eye, always remember to blend really well. This is like the most important step. And remember to blend inwards. If you were to blend too far outwards, you might create a shadow and make you look super tired. And then you have to clean it up with concealer, and that's just another step. And we don't want 1,000 steps to create a makeup look. It should be simple and quick. And that's why we blend inwards, okay, people? Remember, blending, but blend inwards. I then also blended the shade on my lid. I applied some of that dark brown shadow we used before. And now I am applying my very light base color. Again, I'm packing on that pigment and then I'm blending it out. This is just the base color, it gives you like an even base. I then applied a shimmery shade on top of it. And this shimmery shade itself is not opaque at all. That's why I used the base shade first. And again, I'm blending everything together. Who would have guessed? Next step, eyeliner. This time I really tried to get this on camera. If you never filmed a YouTube tutorial or just a makeup tutorial in general, you have no idea how difficult it is to apply eyeliner while trying to stay in focus. That's difficult. Respect to all the beauty gurus. But that's how I create my eyeliner. I usually start in the middle and then work my way. As a wing, you want to follow your lash line, so try to make the wing like an extension of your eye, if that makes any sense. And then draw in that triangle. I then perfected my eyeliner off camera. I'm very sorry about that, but that was the best I could do and it was still so crooked. Next I applied some eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I again used black and the shade The Emulator. I also cleaned up all the fallout I had. I usually get fallout when I apply very dark shades. That's also why I'm always doing my eye makeup first, so I can clean up the fallout without having to mess with my foundation or concealer. Now curl those lashes and apply some mascara. Mascara magic in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Now I am doing some tight lining. This means I am covering my upper lash line or inner waterline, whatever you want to call it, with black eyeshadow. I think it does make a huge difference as it just deepens up the whole look again. I then applied some white eye pencil . Some inner corner highlights. And here's the finished look. I hope you like it. If you liked it, maybe consider subscribing. Drop a comment below and thank you so much for watching. See you later, alligator, and goodbye. See you!